Most people think watercolor is super difficult, and honestly, a little bit uncontrollable too. But the funny thing is, once you understand how water and color work together, watercolor becomes one of the most relaxing and addictive art styles ever. And in this series, we're going to learn everything step by step, from absolute zero. So even if you've never touched a paintbrush before, don't worry, you're completely welcome here. Hey everyone, and welcome to the very first watercolor lesson. I'm really excited you're here. And no, this isn't going to be one of those boring art classes where we just copy random paintings. In this course, we're actually going to understand watercolor, how colors behave, how water moves on paper, how to control it, and eventually, how to create paintings that feel truly alive. A lot of beginners get scared when they start watercolor. They're afraid of ruining the paper or turning all the colors into mud. Trust me, we've all been there. Some people think they're not talented enough to paint. Others think they need super expensive supplies before they can even start. But honestly, you really don't. Watercolor is much more about patience, practice, and learning how the medium behaves. And that's exactly what we're going to do together. One of the most beautiful things about watercolor is that it feels alive. Seriously, no two paintings ever come out exactly the same. Water moves the pigment, colors blend naturally, and sometimes the paint does something unexpected, and it actually looks even better. That little unpredictability, that's the magic of watercolor. So in this first lesson, I just wanted you to get familiar with the feeling of watercolor and take the very first step with me. And in the next lesson, we're going to talk about the tools and materials you actually need, plus which supplies are best for beginners. So don't miss it. And if you love painting, especially hyper-realistic watercolor art, make sure you subscribe so you don't lose the channel. All right, I'll see you in the next lesson.